Sylvia. Welcome to my kitchen creations. On today's episode, we're going to make caramel apple empanadas. This recipe is super easy to make, but so delicious. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. We're going to start by peeling and dicing our apples. Over medium heat in a large pot, go ahead and add your butter. After your butter is melted, go in with your apples. Add your brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, lemon juice, and some salt to bring out all the flavors. And we're going to cook this for about 10 minutes and just keep stirring so you don't burn your apples. After 10 minutes, this is how it's looking. As you can see, the apples had released their juices and started to soften. So I'm going to continue cooking my apples for another 5 to 8 minutes because I want all the apples to soften. After 18 minutes, my apples are done. They are nice and soft. As you can see, all the juice is at the bottom, and I would love to thicken this a little. So I'm gonna go in with my cornstarch slur. And I don't want it too thick, just thick enough because I will be adding the caramel to it, so I do not want this to be super thick. After 2 minutes, this is ready. It is nice and thick. Now go ahead and turn off your heat. I have my empanada dough here that I got from the store. So what I like to do is grab about 2 to 3 tablespoons and place it right in the center. Drizzle some of that caramel on top. Fold it over. Grab a fork and press the edges together. Just like so. Now I'm going to place it on a cookie sheet. This is how they're looking. So now, over medium heat in a large pot, go ahead and add your oil. If you have a thermometer, go ahead and use that to check your oil. And we want the oil to reach 350 degrees before we start frying. Now that it is up to temperature, I'm going to add my empanadas. I'm going to allow this to fry for 4 minutes or until it is nice and golden. My caramel apple empanadas are ready, guys. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? They are nice and crispy, just the way we like them, but you can also bake them, throw them in the air fryer, they'll be just as good. Do whatever your heart desire. So I just wanted to show you guys the inside of this empanada and how crispy they are. I went and served it with some vanilla ice cream and some extra caramel on top. So listen, guys. So good. Guys, it is all gone. I couldn't stop myself after the first bite. It is that good. Thank you so much for cooking with me today or for baking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.